Alright, in this video we're going to change the air filter in this 2006 Dodge Grand Caravan for the 3.8. It is actually the same between the 3.8 and the 3.3. I don't know about the 4-cylinder. But either way, this should be the same whether it's a Caravan or Grand Caravan, Dodge or the Plymouth or the Chrysler Town and Country, all that. So I've already got the new air filter here. On this one here, there's one clip. Let me, I'll actually take you off the tripod to show you the clips. You have one retainer here and one retainer back here. Might be hard to get on camera, but either way, you literally just pop them off. It's actually not hard to do. And ooh, somehow I zoomed in. Anyway, so pop that retainer. Pop that retainer, kind of lift up on this a little bit on the back and push to the right. This will come up and we will get a look at, oh good God, this is not what you want. I don't know how well this will come up on screen, but let me show you the difference. So here's the new air filter. I think you can try to work around the tripod. I think you know which one you want. I'm actually going to take that to work to show some people. So this one just slides in, and the install is just a reverse of that, because there's three legs that go into. Actually, I'll try to take you off the tripod one more time. Apologize for this. There's 3 ears that go into corresponding holes on that side. And just like that, we are done. So thank you for watching. Have a blessed day. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.